Namaste, I am Suprita. Today we are gonna see the story of the ideal friends. Friends are also one of the cheapest allies in the world. Those who entertain a treat in the world or take a treat are allies of one another. Students who have the ideal of being a good intellectual get into many bad situations after entering college. Reason for this are friends. It is a shame to make friends with them. Vedamata says, Sakha Sakhayam Vyatarat Vishuchihi. He who protects and friend in danger, helping and in a difficult situation is known as friend. Where is the resemblance to such a noble in the Veda and today's miserable atmosphere? Bhartruhari, as told in his Niti Shataka about qualities of friend, is like this. Papat nivarayati yojayate hitaya ghuyyancha niguhati gunan prakati karoti. Apad gatam najahati dadati kale sanmitra lakshmana midham pravadanti tagnaha. Scholars describe the qualities of a friend as such. Friend protects against sin. Friend is who will motivate you to do good things. Friend keeps the secret of secrecy. He helps telling about his friends' good qualities with others every time. Helps the friend in danger without being left alone. Helps in time. Where did you come from? A friend who had one day gone near and friend of riches, wealth, splendor, and honor. On what work have you come? By listening this, that person controlled his anger and told, Once upon a time you told me that I am your friend. Everybody were telling you that you were not well, so came to see you. Samana Vyasaneshu Sakyam. Friendship can be between people who are like minded, but friendship of Lord Krishna and Sudama is world famous. His childhood friend, classmate Sri Krishna's treat when the desperate Sudama visited the house of Sri Krishna in the most combustible state, as everybody knows about it. One day, a beggar was standing in front of the royal palace gate. A person with no turban on his head, shirtless on body, wearing a torn dhoti, was in an unlucky position with no shoes on, was staring at the palace. His wife had sent him here as it was hard to find food for his children as there was poverty at home. The housewife can tolerate her grief, but she cannot tolerate seeing her children suffering. Rana Pratap Simha, a mountain like tyrant, was also disturbed to see that his children is starving. How can a woman can tolerate? One day, a wretched Brahmin spoke with his wife about his childhood friend Sri Krishna. From then on, she started torturing him to go to Sri Krishna and get help. He was escaping and turned around. If Sri Krishna insults me, all my respect I have earned throughout my life will be lost in a moment. He was the only honorable man in his life. Even if he was so poor, people were bowing in front of him with respect. Should I bow my head in front of Krishna just for a hunger today? Will he value me for that or not? Who will travel a long way to this unbelievable work? He was determined not to go into such a situation to Dwaraka. But his scholarly wife consoled him. The Brahman should also know shame as the luck. You do not beg with Krishna. Don't take whatever he gives you. Go and see him once. How stubborn your heart is. You are not going to see your beloved friend also. I remember all my friends, and even I would like to meet them all after hearing his wife's words. It was like arrows to pierce the heart of Sudama. The call to see Krishna in his allied heart began to end as a boy's mind. It was a long time that he had met Sri Krishna. So we'll meet once and come. The wretched Brahman endured many hardships and at last reached Dwaraka to meet his friend. He was standing in front of royal palace in Dwaraka. He was in a confused state whether to meet Sri Krishna or not. By that time, caretaker saw Sudama and told him, "Hey, come back after some time. Our king is now engaged in local government. This is not the time for charity." After listening to caretaker words, Sudama got some confidence. He told to caretaker that I have not come for any charity. Sri Krishna is my childhood friend. I am here to meet him. Caretaker looked at him for a while and thought himself, he is not wearing proper clothes to meet the king, but still I can see some confidence in his face to meet. Immediately he went to Sri Krishna and told, Hey Lord, a poor and weak man is standing near the door. His name is Sudama. He has come to meet you. Can I send him inside? After listening the words Sudama, he was surprised and came out immediately. When caretaker came out, he saw Sri Krishna hugging Sudama. In between, Sri Krishna asked Sudama, Why didn't you inform me? When you are in such a horrible trouble, don't you have trust on me? Isn't that old friend you were doing Guru Seva and studied together in Gurukul? I am feeling guilty for forgetting about my childhood friend. Please forgive me, Sudama. By listening to this, Sudama forgot about his poverty and felt very happy for getting so much of respect from Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna made Sudama to sit on the throne while Krishna washing his feet. Rukmini poured the water. Along with water on those feet, even tears were rolling down from Sri Krishna's eyes. Rukmini and others were shocked by seeing Sri Krishna so busy speaking with his childhood friend, leaving all his work. The king's guest house echoed from the laughter of these two people. Sudama felt like he was out of all his poverty and being in heaven. By the time Sudama came home, he was surprised to see such a beautiful house instead of his hut. Sudama's wife was dressed up with a jewelry and bowed to Sudama, told him everything what happened. This is an example of Krishna's ideal friendship. So this is all about the story of Sri Krishna and Sudama regarding the friendship. So let's meet in the next video with another topic. Until then, namaste.